from Jaipur National University. Welcome you all. Today I'll give you a brief introduction about the both departments, electrical and electronics communication. The basic contents of the department are department vision and mission, program objectives, about the department, course offered by the departments, lab details and infrastructure, collaborations and MOU, research and development lab, hands-on practice and various department activities, infrastructure details, achievements of ECE department as well as electrical department, strengths, faculty details and placement records. Vision of both the departments is to excel in the field of technical education and research by perseverance to produce high quality engineers and technologies having high level of creativity and ethical standards, contributing effectively to growth of our society and country. The basic mission of both the departments to impart knowledge in the field of electronics and communication as well as electrical, with the area which focus on developing the necessary competences, vertices and qualities exported of the department engineer by the society at the large, to familiarize the student with the state of art technology to meet growing demands of modern facilities, to foster self-development leading to positive social infrastructure and transformation. Program objective of both the departments to produce technically competent graduate with ability to analyze, design, develop, optimize and implement electronic systems, to excel in professional careers or pursue higher education by acquiring requisite knowledge in the field of electronics communication as well as electrical engineering, to augment the industry institute collaboration for the activities such as in-plant trainings, industrial visits or sponsored research. The individual capability for higher studies would be enhanced to entrepreneurial ability polishing of the students, to provide placement opportunities for all the eligible graduating students of the departments. First, for the engineers, the ECE engineers are access the great number of public sector jobs such as an IAS, GATE and other technical jobs, which includes IAS, IES and GATE through the exams. These exams are also the mock test of the exams was also conducted by the department too. As far as the private sector is concerned, many of the industries employ the electronic engineers and electrical engineers. The major sectors are equipped in semiconductor, medical instrument, manufacturing systems, telecommunication, industry control, aeronautics, as well as military application. ECE forms the core modern day computer and communication system to include adaptability to the current and changing trends by engaging in lifelong learning activities by the research. About the departments, both the departments are inception in or introduced in 2003. This university is a private self-financed university sponsored by Mahima Shiksha Samiti. It is approved by AICT as well as UGC. Well qualified faculty members are here. Total labs are near about 20 and maybe more than that. ECE course offers BTech in electronics communication with intake of 90 and it is inception from 2003 onwards. Nowadays, from 2019, electronics BTech in biomedical engineering is also started with the intake of 90 and it is started from 2019 onwards. MTech with specialization in CSP and embedded system with the intake of 18 is started by 2008, and PhD in electronics and communication is also started from 2010 onwards. whereas courses offered by electrical engineering are BTech in electrical engineer. Post-graduation courses offers MTech in power engineering, and with the specialization in power engineering, MTech in electrical engineering with the specialization in CSE, that is control system engineering. We are also providing with diploma and certificate course in diploma in electrical engineering. We have various labs. The department has state-of-art of laboratories with modern equipment and instruments to train the students with modern practices in electronics as well as electrical engineering. So we have the following labs: electrical technology, electronic workshop and machine lab, communication system lab, analog digital labs, microprocessor lab, EMI lab, optical microwave radar lab, optical communication lab, data communication lab, VHDL lab. Software labs are also there, DSP lab, which includes the MATLAB lab, and design and development lab, which is also known as research and development lab. These are the some of the photographs of electrical machine lab, electrical high voltage lab, power electronics lab, MATLAB and simulation. The department level are collaborated with various industries as well as the universities. First is Myeongji University from South Korea. Second is Central Electronics Engineering Research Institute, which is also known as CD Pilani. Sahasra Sambhav Skill Development Private Limited, Noida. These are the MOUs signed by the associate partner of Sahasra Sambhav Skill Development Private Limited, Noida, which recruit the electrical students in their companies for internship as well as for job. These are electrical core jobs and electronics core jobs. These are some of the photo shoots of Myeongji universities. Our students are provided with some of the trainings and research project level at South Korea, and our students went there for training and research based projects. These are the live examples of research projects which are handled by the students in South Korea Myeongji University. Some of the industrial visits are planned with CSIR, where the students are being acknowledged with the latest trends in the field of electronics at CD Pilani. Industrial visit at NHPC, HP, PHED, Jodhpur, Rajasthan. These are the research and development lab projects which are represented in HR Conclave, Rajasthan, which is being inaugurated by our Minister Dr. Lalit Pawar, RPSC Chairman, retired IAS. Here the students of department running the research and development at graduate, postgraduate and doctorate level, hands-on practice and departmental activities. Department has also introduced the project year to provide the exposure on the basis of software as well as hardware level, which is most likely to be required by the industries for the various department students. These are the activities of the students which are being conducted regularly by the School of Engineering at department level and at the school level. Here the students gives active competition based robo war presentation in the functions. These are the live research projects. This is a DC electric car made by the electrical and electronic students. This is the hybrid electrical DC car. Infrastructural facilities included lecture hall, tutorial, HOD room, auditorium, library, computer labs, faculty rooms, LCD projector rooms where the students are being taught with the recent trends of technologies, smart classes. Our institute conducted 5,000 books exhibition in last year. 5,000 book fair in the institute is being conducted by the JNU University. Achievements by the ECE department, conferences, seminars and workshops are regularly conducted by the university as well as by the departmental level. Industrial academia meet where various industries are being collaborated and conducted various research and trend required by the industries are, and their valuable suggestions are taught and incorporated in the curriculum. These are the conferences regularly conducted by the ECE department and electrical department, IAET 2018. It is being regularly conducted from 7 years. These are some of the photo gallery. Our students also participated in lunar moon buggy competition at NASA, where students participated in lunar buggy competition held at National Aeronautical and Space Administration, NASA, USA, and scored 6th position. Our strengths of the department are updated syllabus as per industrial norms, good placement activities, ICT enabled classrooms. These are the list of faculty details at ECE department, faculty details of electrical department, placement records. This year, as lockdown has been occurred, so we have live webinar on the career opportunities of the engineers. So this is a live webinar for the students who are being at home to boost up their energy and boost up their strength so that they maintain and regularly participate in the career opportunities. We have placement records and placement assistant incorporated with Amazon, Byju's, Infosys, Deloitte, and IIT Capgemini. Amazon offered 27 lakhs per annum of package. We also have collaboration with Adobe, Cadence, Amazon, HSBC, Dell, Mindtree, SAP, Infosys, TCS, Capgemini. These are some of the placement activities conducted by the placement cell regularly for the strength enhancement of the students. So I conclude with the annual package of the last year with success story continues. Zaro Education, who offers 5.6 to 7.5 lakhs per annum. Byju's 10 lakhs per annum. Ginar Software with 4.8 lakhs per annum to the students. Thank you all. Thank you. Stay safe. Stay home.